How do you compare numbers? Can you think about a reason why would you like to compare numbers? Okay, let's think of an example. We can compare numbers, for example, to compare different prices in a store. You can compare also different distance from places. And you can compare these different population of the countries or city. Think about Panama. Panama has an area of 75,417 kilometers squared. Lebanon has an area of 10,452 kilometers squared. Which of the two countries has more space on Earth? In order to compare these two quantities, you need to use a place value chart. So, using this place value chart, we are going to line up the places of the digits. For example, let's start with the area of the Panama City. So we have that the area is 75,417 kilometers square. The number 7 at the end is on the ones place. Right. The number 1 is in the tens, the number 4 is in the hundreds, and in the next period of the thousand we have the 5 and the 7. Great. Now we write the second number, that is the area of Lebanon. Number 2 is in the ones place, 5 in the tens, 4 in the hundreds, 0 in the thousands period, and 1 in the 10,000s period. Okay, now we line up. We did the first step. Step number 1: write the numbers, lining up the places. Ones together, tens placed together, hundreds together, thousands and 10,000s in this example. Then we begin at the left and compare the two numbers. Think, let's stop a time and think. Why we need to start comparing by the left side? Is because the numbers are greater. The values of the digits in these places are greater. So we start with the greater one. So let's compare the 10,000s place. The step number 2, we need to look. If the number are the same, we need to look to the next digit and compare. But in this example, we have 7 and 1. So the question is 7 10,000 is greater or less than 1. Use the symbols to represent your answer. This symbol with the open side means greater than. This symbol that starts with the closest side means less than. And this symbol with parallel lines means equal than. 7 is greater than 1. That's right. So we know which number is greater than the other. So this number 75,417 is greater than 10,452. So which of the two countries has more space in the earth? Of course, Panama has more space on the earth. Okay, let's look for a next example. Second example. And in the second example, we have the country Algeria and Sudan. And we're looking for the population, the people in these countries. For the first country, we have 44,700,000. And for the second one, we have 44,909,353. So it's important to follow the first step, writing numbers, lining up the places. Yes, we're going to start with Algeria. 0, 0, 0 in the ones period. In the thousands period we have zeros, 0, 7, and in the millions period we have 4 and 4. Right. Don't forget to write a comma that is separated the periods of the numbers. Now we're going to write from Sudan. 3, 5, and 3 for the ones period. We have 9, 0, and 9 for the thousands period separated by a comma. And for the millions we have 4 and 4. Very good. So let's follow the next step. Begin at the left and compare. So we're going to start, where is our left side? Here. So we're going to start with the 10 millions places. Okay, we have 4 and 4. Compare 4 and 4. 4 is equal to 4. That's right. So we need to look for the next step. Look at the next digit and compare. Where is the next digit? Look at it. Yes, it's in the 1 millions place. And it's 4 and 4. 4 and 4 is the same digit. So if we have the same digit, we continue looking for the next digit to compare. What is the next digit? Yes, it's in the 100,000s place. And we have the digit 7 for Algeria and the digit 9 for Sudan. Okay, let's compare these two digits. They are different. The step number 3 is that the first place where the digits are different, we need to compare. And this is the first place where the digits are different. 7 is greater or less than 9. What do you think? Of course, 7 is less than 9. Now we know that this number below, that is the population for Sudan, is greater than the population of Algeria. So let's copy here. Sudan has the greater, the Algeria population is less than Sudan population. Great. Now we figure out which of the two countries has more population. And here in the Panama and Lebanon, we figure out which of the two places has more space on Earth. Of course, Panama. But now it's your turn to practice. And you're going to look for the population of Panama and the population of Lebanon. Use these two numbers and compare. Which of the two countries has more population? Let's think about it.